Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you're in the right place. Today, we're tackling a straightforward guide on how to transfer Litecoin from your Tangem wallet to Gemini. This process is super secure and efficient, especially with the latest updates in blockchain tech. Whether you're a beginner or just need a quick refresher, I'll walk you through it step by step so you can do it confidently. First things first, make sure you have your Tangem wallet set up and your Gemini account ready. Start by opening the Tangem wallet app on your device. It's user-friendly, so navigate to your dashboard and select your Litecoin holdings. You'll see your balance right there. Double-check it to ensure you have enough to transfer. Next, hop over to your Gemini account. Log in, go to the deposit section, and select Litecoin. Gemini will generate a unique deposit address for you. Copy this carefully because accuracy is key in crypto to avoid any mishaps. Now, back in the Tangem wallet, look for the Send or Transfer option. Paste the Gemini address into the recipient field, then enter the amount of Litecoin you want to send. Don't forget to review the network fees. In 2025, these might be lower due to improved scalability, but always confirm. Before you hit confirm, take a moment to verify everything. Check that the address is correct and that you're on the Litecoin network. Mixing up networks is a common mistake. Once you're good, go ahead and confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation notification, and it should process within a few minutes, depending on network congestion. A quick tip: always enable two-factor authentication on both your Tangem wallet and Gemini for added security. Also, keep an eye on your transaction status in both apps to ensure it goes through smoothly. If you run into any issues, Gemini's support is top-notch these days. And there you have it, your Litecoin is now on its way to Gemini. This simple transfer can help you manage your investments better. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more 2025 crypto guides, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay crypto savvy.